Moin Moin and welcome to a new vlog. We are right now in a birds park in Alphenaandenrijn, which is called Avifauna. And I will take you along as usual. In winter, generally everything outside is a bit grey. No green leaves, nothing. So I was really happy about all the colorful birds that we could see in Avifauna. For example, the flamingos or the scarlet ibis. But of course, also the not colorful birds, like the two black-necked stills in the background and the less colorful ibis in the front, were really interesting to watch. This swan goose had some plans for lunch. Typical birds in the Netherlands, parrots. And here's another candidate that you most likely will see when you visit the Netherlands, the grey heron. What I really like about Avifauna is that they have a special area for pelicans, so they can run around. Of course the area is fenced, but still you can get very close to the animals, and there's no fence between you and the pelicans, so it's perfect to take pictures or videos. In the same area where the pelicans live, there were also several storks, because there were these special platforms where they can build their nests on. I really like storks because they also remember me a lot of home, because close to where I live there's also a lot of fields and you will always see storks there. So I was really happy to watch them for a while. And this is the highlight of my day. They have a greenhouse where lorikeets are flying freely, and you can buy this little bowl with nectar or something like this in it. And you can feed the lorikeets, and as you can see, they are all coming and sit on you wherever they can hold themselves. So it was awesome. Doesn't this bird look awesome? This is a masked lapwing. Aren't those penguins adorable? It was raining a lot, but luckily it was always just short showers. And then we came to the most important part of the park, in my opinion. Because I think I never mentioned it, but owls are my absolutely favorite birds. I'm really in love with them because they are just majestic and they have something magical as well. My favorite owl is the barn owl. Unfortunately, we couldn't see any of those, but I was still very happy to look at all the owls that they had there. We also spent some time observing this toucan. It was really interesting to see his tongue when he was drinking. And before finishing this video, I would like to show you another majestic bird, the stellar sea eagle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and to see you back in the next one. Bye bye!